So today we will discuss chapter chemical reactions and equations. So first of all, what is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction, it is a process by which two or more substances react to form a new substance. For example, during the burning of carbon in the presence of oxygen, CO2 is formed. Means by reacting carbon and oxygen, a new substance, carbon dioxide, is formed. And this process is known as chemical reaction. And another example is electrolysis of hydrogen and oxygen. Means by passing electric current, hydrogen and oxygen, they react and form water. Again, by reacting hydrogen and oxygen, a new substance, water, is formed. So the chemical reactions are not reversed by any physical method. Physical method, like we can't separate them by filtration, magnetism, and sublimation. We can't separate carbon or oxygen with the help of sublimation. We can't separate hydrogen and oxygen by filtration, by magnetism. Now we'll discuss the chemical reactions that takes place in our daily life. There are certain chemical reactions that took place in our daily life. First of all is rusting of iron. I think this is the most common example of the chemical reaction that we usually see. Now, what is rust? Rust is a brown color patch formed on the iron due to the exposure of oxygen, carbon dioxide, and moisture. The second example is formation of curd. Curd is formed with the help of lactobacillus bacteria. This is also another example of a chemical reaction. Now we'll discuss what is reactant. Reactant are the substances that take part in chemical reaction. For example, we previously discussed carbon dioxide is formed by combining carbon and oxygen. The carbon and oxygen that we react to form carbon dioxide are known as reactants. And the new substance which is formed by reacting two or more substances is known as products. Now, our next topic is chemical equation. Chemical equation involve the use of symbols and the physical state of element. Means, for example, during the formation of water, we react hydrogen. Hydrogen is in gaseous form. Then we react oxygen. Oxygen is also in gaseous form. And it forms water. Water is present in liquid form. Means the equation that involve the use of symbols. Means we wrote hydrogen as H2, oxygen as O2, and water as H2O. Means the equation that involve the use of symbols as well as physical state. Physical state means that substance which that is present in solid, liquid, or gaseous form, that is known as chemical equation. Chemical equation is of two types. First one is balanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equation is the equation in which the number of atoms on the reactant as well as on the product sides are same. Number of atoms on reactant side is equal to number of atoms on product side. For example, during the formation of water, we react hydrogen and oxygen. Here, the atoms of hydrogen are 2, oxygen are 2, but in product side the atoms of hydrogen is 1 and the oxygen is 1. So we'll have to balance this equation. For example, in water the atoms of hydrogen are 2, oxygen atom is 1. So we have to balance the equation. For balancing the equation there is a method.